Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Sailing Buhay Laot. Adventure tayo ngayon guys. Let's go to Kokainok, one of the island here in Phuket. It's about from here about 30 nautical miles. Guys, that's a Panga Bay. It's Panga going to James Bond. James Bond po. Diyan po tayo matutulog sa isla na yan. Yeah. Very light wind. What's good. Nice. Sunset sail. Sunset sail guys. Yeah. Very nice beach. Very nice beach. Looks private resort. Okay, let's see what's in there. Guys, cannot sleep. Too bad. Very nice place, but they don't allow people to sleep. It's crazy. Yeah, because of COVID. Yeah, but this is a park ranger. It's a national park. It's crazy. So I need to find a place where I can sleep. Yeah. Okay guys, I'll find a place to sleep. Maybe I go on that opposite side. Okay, let's go there. Yeah, right there. Let's go set a camp there guys. Okay. Yeah guys, we just arrived here in Konaka. Yay. Hindi po tayo nakarating sa Kokainok, masyadong gabi na, saka squall, sobrang lakas ng hangin. Safely arrived naman kahit may nangyaring aberya kanina. 30 knots of wind and super. Ngayon ito hilahin ko ng konti kasi high tide. Hilahin ko ng konti guys sa beach. Safely arrive ang bangka natin, Sailing Buhay Alat. So safely arrive guys. Very nice beach. Tingnan natin bukas to. Very soft sand. And patulog na ako. Nag-set up ako ng camping dito. Nakisuyo ako itong sa resorts. Yeah, so yeah, nag-set up ako ng camping. Ito ako matutulog. Na hobby natin nandun. Ayan ang bangka natin. Okay. Guys, good morning. Dito tayo ngayon, kagising natin sa Konaka. Tingnan nyo guys, ang Hobie, sobrang baba na ng tubig, super low tide. Yeah. Yeah. Doon tayo natulog kagabi. Medyo may konting hangin. pack up na tayo para tuloy tayo sa ating journey. Hey guys, I will tour you in my Hobie 14 Turbo. I will show you what I have here. Yeah, welcome to sailing Buhay Alat. This is our boat, Hobie 14. It's turbo with the jib. It's quite old, about more than 15 years. I think the guys painted the plate, so it's hard to see now, but I guess it's more than 15 years. This boat made from France, as I said. Yeah, it's our mast jib with the furling system, and then this one I made that one. I bought the boat in bad shape, so I painted it, rigged it by myself. Yeah, made all the tension and check the mast rake, stuff like that. So I have a very small trampoline. That's my bag for camp, my camping and food, everything, waters inside. Yeah, I have a paddle there just in case very less wind. I just paddle. Tiller, my rudder system. Yeah, I love this boat. It's fast. My record here is 14 knots so far, so I'm hoping more. Would like to more than 20 maybe if I have trapeze, but I don't have trapeze, so yeah, I don't really force her to sail fast. Yeah, guys, once already my friend told, so thank you to Jojo and Jan. They tow my boat, you know, with the 2 horsepower Tohatsu. Yeah, sailing Buhay Alat was capsized, and yeah, nice, good to have a good friend around. Yeah, when I go sailing, I have a knife here. See that knife? I have a dive knife here. It's just in case for emergency, stuff like that. You know, I always want to go to island, spend a night there. So yeah, and on top I have a buoy. I put a buoy on it just in case I capsize. Easy to pull it up. Yeah, I have Thai sails, and I'm sailing here in Thailand, Phuket, and now I'm here in Konakayai. Yeah, Now I'm sailing back to our play yard. So yeah, going back. Yep. Phew. I put also non-skid here, guys. You see, I put non-skid here to prevent me from slipping. Yeah, both sides. Not much in Hobie 14 actually. It's very small boat, but it's fast and fun. So for weekend it's good and good to sail in a lake or flat sea. Yeah. All right. See you later. Let's go sailing. Phew. Guys, this is my breakfast. Salmon spread with crackers. That's my breakfast. We're sailing now. So one catamaran anchored last night there. My neighbor. And it's beautiful Panya Beach of Konakayay. See you later. Now we are sailing. It's sailing, guys. Yeah, we're not that strong, but I would say it brings us to the point where we want to go. I hope it's steady. No paddling. Because I paddled last night. Oh, what's that? Someone is building there. Yeah. Someone is building there. Oh. Alright guys, I finished my breakfast. And then see you again later. Have a good one.